Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to export coupons from Odoo to WooCommerce using the Ksolves WooCommerce connector. Let's jump right in. First, head to the Home menu, then click on WooCommerce. In the dashboard, you'll see a section for coupons. We currently have 12 coupons listed. Let's create a new one. Click Create, give your coupon a name. Choose the WooCommerce instance you want to export to, set the discount amount, and define the expiry date. Once done, hit Save. Now, let's export this coupon to WooCommerce. Go to the instance, click on Specific Operation, and under Operation Flow, choose from Odoo to WooCommerce Export Operation, and then select Export Coupons. Now click Execute. You'll see the export process begin. The queue job starts processing, and once it's marked as done, the coupon has been successfully exported. Let's check it out in WooCommerce. Head over to the coupon section, and there it is, our newly created 12% discount coupon, complete with the correct amount and expiry date. That's how easy it is to sync coupons from Odoo to WooCommerce using the Ksolves connector. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.